75% off day. Have at it. Good morning.
Ready to fill the bags.
Fill up the boxes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Fill them up. Fill them up.
Good morning.
Good morning. Fill up 12 boxes.
We even say,
Fill up 15 boxes.
oh, if I have 15 boxes, I might.
Okay. Fill them up.
Mine's bag.
Fill them up. Fill them up. Hey, darling. Serious shoppers.
Serious shoppers.
Serious shoppers.
Serious.
I know. Fill the bags up. Hey, darling. You're going to need more than that. Hey, darling. You're so sweet. All right, there, my girls. Fill them up.
Got a box, got a box, got a
You're going
box.
to need more than that. Good. 75% off. Have at it.
I told you.
Oh, see, she's died and gone to heaven, Diane.
I told her that. I told her the mother of children.
Yep.
That's fine.
This is what 75% off looks like. And really, really good advertising. Smile.